Hi guys, today I'm opening a safe from Ryan, and it's cool because it has a key. So today, thanks for watching the Elliott family. Subscribe and click that bell button. Hi guys, click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and ring that bell because we're going to tell you to buy me a Ryan toy. Look, so much Ryan stuff. Okay, I want to pick this big, huh? Ooh, Mom, can you reach this one for me? Look, eggs! Little eggs! Mommy, let's buy this one for my video.
Oh, cool. Ryan's toy review. And this is which one's this one, Cash?
Ryan's safe.
Surprise, super surprise safe.
Guys, we just got my Ryan's safe. Hi guys, today I'm opening a Ryan's World safe. And today, it's going to be cool because it's actually for Ryan's World. And it has a face on it, as you can see. And it's Ryan's World rainbow cloud thing. And it's the mystery box where it's so cool. Get this Ryan safe at
Target
and Ronald.com, and it's at Y as well. Are you ready to open and see what's inside? This is a Target from Rama.com. It's from Ryan's World. Don't remember. Cool, guys. Look, let's open this. Cool. Prize number 1. It's so cool. Ooh, it's pretty stuck. I'm gonna wait for a minute. Okay, guys, look at this stuff. It even is so cool. So cool. Let's see. It's a sticker tattoo. And this thing right there. And Ryan slime, don't remember. Okay, let's open this one now. Let's go. Two. I opened the whole thing. We got glitter. And we got the hammer. Cool. And we got the Ryan's World Red Ryan. Look, guys. Red Ryan. Okay, now let's start to the other ones. Hi, guys. It's box number 2 now. Okay, let's open. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh no, guys. Cool. Gus, get out of there. Okay, this is Gus as Lego. He's turning his head like an idiot. Okay, guys, this is so cool. Look, he can turn his arms and walk like a alien from the outer space. Do. I'm gonna jump in my bed. Okay, now let's start with the other ones. This big one next. I can see you. I can see the thing, guys. Okay, it's so glasses. Come on. Guys, you're red. They're red. Guys, you're red. It can make you, guys, it can make you think you're red. Now it's time for quarters. Oh, there's so much Rhino quarters. This is Rhino quarter, a cash, and Rhino sun. Okay, let's put that there. And this is the yellow one, and it has a cash on too. See in the back, and the sun. And this one has cash on in the sun. Now it's time for this one. Come on. Let's see what's in box number. Nerd Sack 2. And it's Combo Panda. Combo Panda. Combo Panda. Okay, guys. Let's get to it now. Let's get for the real part to start now. Okay, now that was box number 2 and 1. Now box number 3. It's the back one and the one just for prize. And then now let's open this one. Oh my gosh. Guys, what's your favorite one on the comments when this video gets 500 likes? Ooh, I'm gonna build a robot.
Show them what it is.
It's a robot head, I guess. A robot head. And there's the feet. Oh, it's a little key. It's a little key. And look at this. It's from a robot. It's from a robot. Cool. Look. It's kind of like a robot arm. It looks like a robot arm.
Do you think that you have to put it together and build it?
Yep. And I'm going to show you guys. It's going to be on the next video today. Ooh, mine's real safe. Different bot. Okay, now let's start with this back. I'm starting with the back now. Wonder what's in the secret cave. Ooh, it's confetti sticking out, Mom.
Cool.
Okay, what is this hammer for again? What's this hammer?
The final surprise. All right.
Let's see. Guys, it was a secret door in the safe. And I'm going to use my secret rhymeable key. I'm going to use my secret key to do this apartment right here. It's really hard to open. Okay, guys, let's do it. Which one is it? I'm just... Let me see.
Cool.
This is lines of money. See? And this is the coins. All covered with confetti. Look, diamonds and coins. Ooh, so cool. And ooh, there might be something in here. Let's see in the end of the video. All confetti. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is everything that came in it. It was a safe. And look what's everything. All kinds of stickers. My dinosaur. And T-Rex. And Mo. What a lot of weapons on him. Mo is Chris. Blah blah man. In Combo Panda, in another Combo Panda. And it's Gus, and it's that shark boy from Ryan, and it's that penguin, remember that? And that one is Ryan on and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.